Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your TCL A300W. To factory reset your TCL A300W, click on the settings button on your remote. Then click on OK to enter all settings and then go to System. Now go to About, Reset, Factory Reset, Factory Reset, erase everything, and now enter the pin that is being displayed at the top to confirm that you're not doing it accidentally, and click on OK. Now it will erase everything on your TV. And now your TV is fully reset, as you can see, and you can set it up as a new device. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.